In this video, I will show you 4 cool places where you can find online writing jobs from home and make decent amount of money. Let's start with number 1. The site is called ProBlogger. There are many different sections here: blog, podcasts, ebooks, but you have to pick the jobs category only. Just type in writing, set your location, choose job type and done. Now you can see all the available gigs at this moment. The good thing about ProBlogger site is the new jobs are added frequently here. Not every day, of course, but there is a strong likelihood that you will find 2 or 3 solid online writing jobs for beginners for the last week. This platform can be ideal for those who is interested in writing for blogs and internet publications. Highly recommend you to check this one out. The next cool website for online writers is called FlexJobs. Personally, I prefer it over the others, because it is well suited for both beginners and the people with higher level of skills. The new freelance jobs are posted here every week. Just take a look how many gigs and categories they offer. There are tons of money-making opportunities on FlexJobs. You can also find part and full-time employment on this platform. But the main pro of using this platform as a freelancer is its trustworthiness. You will never find any scam or suspicious side hustles here. It is a 100% legit business engine, where all the submitted jobs are verified by a real person before they get approved. The next website where you can find online writing jobs is called Journalism Jobs. After landing on the main page, this is what you will see. There is an option of searching the jobs and posting your resume. In order to accelerate the search process, you can just type the job title and the state. After this, you will see the long list of all the available positions. On the left side, you can also choose the industries, position, state, job type, telecommute remote, and the date it was posted. But for those who are lazy, there's another solution. You can simply upload your resume and letting the employers find you. Just upload the file, type in your name, email, address details, create the password, select the job position, industry and the state, and done, your account is created. Definitely recommend you to check this website out. The next website, ideal for the freelance writers, is called Freelance Writing Jobs. One can find a lot of writing gigs, writing tips and of course the websites that pay really solid money. Just take a look at the categories above. But the most important one, which you should pay your attention to, is Freelance Writing Job Board. This can be a cool option and an amazing opportunity at the same time, because lots of new jobs are added and updated here every day. Just take a look how many gigs are available at this moment. You can also choose the option of contract, freelance, full-time, internship or part-time. The only little tiny con of using this website is, unfortunately, you cannot see how much money you can expect while working on this website. But I guess the numbers are pretty similar to those which you can find on the other sites for freelancers. Despite the con, there is also one big pro of using this website. All the writers are also allowed to accept their guest posting. Just click here, Write for Us, and get familiar with the guidelines. But in short, make sure your content is unique and plagiarism-free. Moreover, your guest entry has to be minimum of 800 words.